don't give us those German machine boys where they drink engine oil. Say make we play for group stage.
Oh, now you make it feel like this. As long as say you don't get anything to do with Ronaldo, you no need fear. Hope day.
Now him I don't tell him saying so. Say make him know the fear. At least we go fit use Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow take qualify.
Costa, leave that thing. Bayern Munich now.
Ah, coach, no they call that name where in there.
Why? What's happen?
You know same say they suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder because of that A2 where those boys flog them when him still dey back. Him witness the horror person and their name still affect him badly.
Oh, sorry I don't know.
Boys, Champions League fixture don't come out all these ones we wanna they play now. Maybe waiting wanna go play for Champions League
But Kochi, you no need to worry now. Our group not too tough like that.
Yeah, baba there. Maybe West Brom wanna go Momoshos League draw. In short, come out for here. Go give me 1,000 laps.
How about Kochi? I go get hamstring
Come out for here, Joe. If you like, get G-string. Now your problem be that.
Merci. Champions League don't settle.
Huh? Hope say Bayern not there our group because me I still dey get nightmare on top that match.
No, you for carry Ororo put for our group.
Ronaldo, chai, God good Finally, UEFA don't get sense. Hello, Ororo, how far now? My guy just tell me say you dey my group
Now why I call you now? You know say na me go top that group, ba?
For here, them burn you well. For which alternate universe you want top group? Make I tell you now, I go clear you home and away.
Da, come on for here. You will buy and demolish.
You no be ordinary Leon come out you.
Last. Champions League na my league. Them no point you will challenge me for there. No be La Liga we dey.
They run your mouth. I get Ansu Fati
If you like, get Maradona and Pele join. Champions League na my league.
Lamella, why you elbow Martial?
Now what think Coach tell me say make I do now? He tell me say make I try frustrate some Man U players. Now he make me elbow Martial. And as the guy can't touch me small for face, I just fall like saying I die I did. You know say that the way now.
Kobala, why did they stop my guy? Lamella, come on for here, go wait for me for Mami Wobi restaurant.
Okay, sir.
You go chop Nkwobi today, tire.
Nice one, Coach. Now you try pass.
Oga Mourinho, how you dey do it for body now as you don't flog frustration enter Man U?
Chai! Oh boy.
Wait till not since say una play for that match. Them swear for ne.
Coachy, calm down now. You know say Rev do us Ojoro.
You say waiting.
Rev do us Ojoro now.
Say, now he make you play nonsense for defense, bear? Get punished devil today. Come here.
Coachy, I beg now.
Shut up there.
Oh my god. Coachy, don't be my yash.
I never even stat. Ballet, you. Waiting do you ne? Where you pass that careless bell?
See, Coachy, after the ref does that thing, the thing just tire me.
So, now he make you pass that careless bell, bear?
Coach, I beg, sorry now. Just take I'm suffering.
Sorry for yourself.
Coach, I beg.
Because I think first now get the tech, Ella out, Ella on the wheel, Ella this, Ella that.
Coach, I take a beg you now, I beg, pity me.
Yeah, Pepe. Get out of here, careless bear.
Una just settle down, they chop go. Like say na amala and ewedu. Even if the thing sweet na rich like that, una know the belleful, una know the tire. You, Adrian, your countryman Kepa don't dash you in gloves, abi?
No, sir. I beg.
Come on, shut up. As you see say them the Mark Gomez, why you no balloon the ball enter field?
No, Coach, no.
After you dash them the first goal, you can't open yash, they chop go, so you change from goalkeeper to goal collector.
But Coach, 3 of the goals na deflection, no.
Then the other 4 goals, unko. Na post suck them enter, abi? Or the ball turn to lie on head, will make you leave am. Nonsense. Femino, make I no catch you, they open your eye, yo. Because if I table your matter, you no go survive am. Just because a man in no day, una no fit coordinate una self for that attack. Oya Van Dijk, wetin happen for your defense line? Abi you carry shit for yansh dey play again? Or una settle down, tell them say make it rain on us today?
Coach, I beg, don't be like that now. Even me sef no understand wetin happen for that game. E be like say them carry jazz come play that match because I swear the match just dey do me fiam for eye. If I block the ball go just deflate enter post. Yeah, Coach, I swear that thing dey play, you know. Abeg, small now, small.
Shut up there. The only thing wey do me fiam for eye now na wey dey run up and down for pitch. Dey pursue ball like say una dey pursue Father Christmas.
For that Liverpool game, ba, something they tell me say that match na sympathy match. As Liverpool watch Man U game finish, based on say their mantra na you will never walk alone. Na him them follow Man U start the waka o. Van Dijk and Gomez turn to Maguire and Bailey. Even their fullbacks self switch to Man U fullbacks. Na only Adrian decide say him prefer Kepa style instead of Dagea. My guy enter Kepa more though, and that thing be say all of them na Spanish goalkeepers. But the amount of deflection wey happen for that match, ba, I swear I no come understand. Everything just dey upside down. Both the match and the scoreline dey deflected. Now Liverpool supposed get 7 goals.
I swear no be lie.
Ole, how you think say that our last meeting? The thing dope, abi?
See, Marine Hell, I beg no make me remember that thing. Let bygones be bygones.
Lie. I know if you just let this bygone just go like that too. I must today carry this bygone with me everywhere I go. Now you be godfather. I say make I just one.
It don't do for una na. Them go fry egg for una.
Shebi na because now you the top table. You come feel say you just fit come here. They form Italian mobster. No problem. My guy club go so humble you. Club we ordinary Aston Village trash. Na him go humble me. Make I just clear una for here. Make you not be like say I give una surprise package like Leicester City. Now me go carry EPL this season.
Odo.
Come out for
wait.
You don't mean it.
Only.
But I need to discipline my guys too na.
I know they give. Them go sack me.
Okay, you know wetin? I go sponsor you go Mami Wabi restaurant.
How many plates of Mkobi you go buy give me?
1 plate don't do you na.
I go need 5 plates.
Haba, you won't finish my salary? That thing cost so. Okay, make I buy you 2 plates.
I need my 5 plates.
Kai! Now what for you? Okay na, no problem.
Now only the gun I go give you. No bullet.
Maga why? Gun they come with bullets na.
Nothing like that. Bullet don't cost now. 1 bullet now. Now $1 million.
Haba! But you get on plenty na.
Na company property. I know if you just dash you.
What do you gonna talk like this na?
Okay, you know it then. If you buy me 10 plates, I go give you 1 bullet.
What be kill you there? I know they buy 10 plates anything. Just give me the gun. I go buy my own bullet. Now make I ask una. What man go do where una go sabi play ball? Una don't turn deaf and dumb. I mean a ghost na be. Okay na, no problem. Since una don't decide say, na turn by turn una go dey play rubbish. Na turn by turn I go dey flog nonsense come out from una body. Zura face. Shebi na your turn. Oya come sharp, no waste my time.
But Kochi, na my first mistake now.
Shebi I don't tell you, make you no dey botkoche me.
Yeah, why yo?
Kochi abeg na. Kochi abeg.
Abeg waiting.
You know flog Thiago Silva na. Oh, why come they flog me?
My friend, shut up there. Me and you na mate.
Leave me, Joe.
You dey question me?
No, sir.
The blood.
But Kochi has go for you for the other man.
Oh God, you still dey botkoche me? I put you for match to score, I bit to defend.
Yeah, why yo?
Nonsense. Kochi, them tell me say they call me. Wetin happen again? I hope say they sleep for bench when match they go on. I hope say they learn from Mendy tips on how to keep clean sheets. Kochi, leave that thing. The guy they use keeper kuso catch ball. See this useless boy, yo. What do you mean by keeper kuso? Why you no use am when you dey post? I know they use am because I get prestige. No worry, if strikers like Aguero and Vardy catch am ba, you go wish say na me did that post. Tofiakwa over my dead body. Anyway, why I call you here be say, men dey tell me say him dey feel cramps for him hands and back. Say him need person wey go massage am. So I come say since you no get work again for Chelsea and you still dey collect salary, e go better make your work be to dey massage am for us so that him go dey fit for all our games. God forbid bad thing. I no fit do that kind thing. Kochi na man I be o. Okay, if you no fit do am, then comot money from your salary. Pay your girlfriend, make she go do am na. Because we no fit dey waste salary on top your head. Kochi, I no go do that one o. Okay, I go do am. Good boy.
And you, Kobala, why your mouth dey smell like sockaway? A toilet brush you take brush mouth?
No, sir. My toothpaste finished, sir.
Na shit you use as toothpaste?
No, sir.
Why your mouth can't dey smell like this?
I never brush mouth, sir.
Blood of Amadioha. Which kind of reporter be this? How you no go brush mouth come here? Ogazavi, you dey see this kind nonsense?
Na so na they do for here.
No, sir.
Kai, no talk to me, Joe.
You know wetin? For you to win Man U, ba, You guys use waiting the trend now to take achieve your aim.
Wetin be that?
You be Kubala? Which kind of mumu question you dey ask like this?
I no sabi any player wey I get wey go give me 3 points now.
You no get any player, Joe. But COVID-19 hospital dey your side now.
Wetin you mean?
The only thing you need do na to package coronavirus, send and give Rashford and Bruno, so that them go quarantine. That way una go fit win them.
I swear you wicked bad devil.
I no wicked anything. You need the 3 points, abi you no need them. You say make I help you. I don't help you so.
I mean to say before the match, people been dey talk say na Arsenal be the underdog. How manage you take throw away the 3 points?
Sir, you let me finish for A. They ask me this kind of provoking question. You get respect to tell. You know say that bearer were rebels.
Come out for here, Joe. Now which brother will love you?
Make dinner.
Oga, shut up your mouth there. You know how many people you don't love this season? Say this all the way the cultive balawo.
See, sorry. You get reason why you know the EPL. No come the chicken mouth for waiting to concern you. And no ever call me bearer well.
You be ole. You be thief. You be balawo.
See, sorry. You dey vex me, No let my descend on you as the head,
You want descend on me? Oga, no they talk with you not fit to do. As I play you ball from A to Z. That L something guy, fellow junior brother, I been our descendants, and Oga Pate. 2 of them want kill you. Even the other defender when him name resemble a chemical reaction, I been our element, Oga Manganese. Even that one too finish you. Bruno Mars not say ball play. Van Helsing junior brother enter page come loss. Even Rashford can't dey play like say him never chop for 9 months. Glenn Goblin we suppose dey sharp they stop the
Shut up!
Why I go shut up?
Just take my man nonsense for my friend. You go say as I go take use this trident best here, eh?
Oh, now my eye you want choke now. Or ya choke. Choke am now, I dey wet you. Oga ole balawo. Obara, come out for here, oh. Stop person go murder you by mistake.